everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, everything went by smoothly. Yeah, I was actually excited, to shop at Walgreens. This week is kind of a slow week, you guys. There are some good deals if you guys want to get some register rewards and everything, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. Now, the first thing I did get was this Squishmallows pillow. Every time I go to the store, last year, this year, even for Halloween, every single time I go to the store, I always go and pet one of these things. They are like so soft. Like, I just love this so much. And it was a hard decision to choose what one I liked, but I did like the rainbow unicorn. It was either this one or the mermaid, but I really liked the rainbow unicorn. I mean, even his hair is super, super soft. So I thought, I want one of these. Like, I just been dying for one of these, and I just want it, to lay on when I'm on the couch and stuff, and it's so soft. But this was on sale. These are originally $19.99, and I got it for 50% off. So you guys can get these right now this week for 50% off. And there's like 5 or 6 different designs to choose from. But I really like this. I've been wanting one for the longest time. Like, if you guys watch me, I've been wanting it. So I got this, and I had register rewards to pay with it. So I ended up, getting it because I thought, I just want that. I so want that. So the next deals I'm going to share with you guys is I ended up getting a newspaper because I needed some coupons out of it. But I ended up, I dropped it. Okay, I ended up getting the Dixie plates. Now, there's a $2 off coupon, but it's not for the right quantity. Because I'm like, ooh, that's an awesome coupon. It's not the right quantity. You have to get one where it's a certain quantity or kind. But I ended up getting some plates, and I got some bowls. We are having a party coming up soon, and I always tell everybody to bring a dish to pass, and sometimes we need some bowls, and so I always go ahead and get those. So these were $3.99. They're buy one get one 50, or buy one get one free, actually. You guys want to use a $1 off of 2 coupon that you guys can use. That we just got in today's, I think, Retail Me Not, I think. You guys would just get these for $2.99 or $1.49 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need stuff, I still think this is a pretty good deal. I used to pay like $1 for like the cheap, $1 or $2 for like the cheap paper plates. And for me, couponing now, I don't get the cheap ones anymore. I get some like good quality ones. So there's 48 plates in here, which we use these all the time. And then I needed some bowls to use for our party that we're going to be having soon. So yes. Now, I also did the Soap and Glory deal. Now, there's some good deals going on with Ibotta and Saving Star, so I had to scan some items to make sure that they have. But there is a deal going on with Soap and Glory where it's buy 2, you get the 3rd one free. Well, they have some deals that you guys can do, and I kind of just did this. There's 2 different Ibotta deals that I did with this one. There's 3 altogether, but I just did it this way. So these were each $10 a piece. This is the whipped clean shower butter. Sorry if you hear crying up front. It's Charlotte and Benjamin and Graham wrestling, or Ben and Graham wrestling. They're playing. But this is whipped clean shower butter, and this actually is a pistachio, almond, and sweet vanilla scent. I don't even know. It smells really good. So this was $10 for that. And then I also got the Clean On Me, and this is creamy clarifying shower gel by Soap and Glory. So I got that. And then this was some eye mask. This is Puff Attack. This is under eye brightening patches. Now this was $5. This is the item that I got for free. But you guys, this is a different rebate. So you guys would get $2 back in a rebate for this. And then you guys, each rebate on Ibotta is $2. So I got $2 and $2. So that was one separate, and these are the same rebates. So I did that. But you guys, you guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons because they do show that those coupons that we have are for $10 only. So I used one paper one and one digital one. So you guys would get these for $8 a piece after the coupon. So that comes out to be just $16 for the 3 of these. I'm not trying to confuse you guys, but yes, you pay $16 for the 3 of these. You submit a $2 rebate, a $2 rebate. Ben, please get out of that. And a $2 rebate with Ibotta. You guys can also submit a $2 rebate on Savings Star if you guys haven't done that already. So the grand total actually comes out to be just $8 for the 3 of these, or $2.66. And I say that's actually a pretty good deal because this is stuff we never get. This is like the specialty items, so I want to go ahead and get that. I'm excited to try this stuff. So I got those. Ben, can you please get out of there? So that's the deal if you guys need to do that. Now I ended up doing the Crest deal because I had some. Now I didn't have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that showed up in the ad, but I did have a $2 off one and a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, okay? And I also have a 6 off of 4, which I might be using that soon too. But these were $3.99. You guys want to use that $2 off digital and the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $6.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys would get a $5 register reward. And this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and you guys will get points. But you'll get a $5 register reward, making it $1.97 or just 66 cents a piece. Now I always say never pay for toothpaste, but if you guys, I wanted to share with you guys some deals in case you guys have some stuff that's expiring that you need to use up. The next deal we got is the Colgate toothpaste. Now, if you guys watched my printable coupons video this morning, I always tell you to print those coupons. But this comes up to be a freebie. So these are $3.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off printable coupons. You would pay $5.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $6 register reward. And again, you can pay with points. These come out to be absolutely free. So I hope you guys are getting toothpaste wasted over the next couple weeks. But free toothpaste, yes. Okay, now I did the Palmolive dish soap. Now these were 99 cents on sale. We do have those 25% off coupons. You guys would just get this for 74 cents. So if you guys really like this soap, go for it. I like the smaller ones better than the big bottles. Usually what I do with the bigger bottles is I just pour them into the smaller bottles because I'm always washing dishes, especially for having a baby. Now here's another deal in case you guys want to do something like that. We got the Perral. The Perral was $2.99. I used a $1 off coupon that we got on coupons.com. Now this isn't the greatest deal. I usually say back to school deals are the better, but in case you guys, used up that whole bottle already and you need some more, you guys would just get this for $1.99 after that $1 off coupon. So it's up to you if you want to. I really like the green one now. I like the smell of it better. So in case you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. And then this is the last thing I got. So the last item I got is the Garnier Fructis. I definitely want to do this deal again, but the coupon is a limited one. So these were 2 for $7. You guys want to use 3 off of 2. Now I think they're in the inserts. I didn't get them. I had a digital, but when I get my inserts, I will do that. But 2 for $7. You guys use that 3 off of 2. Then there is a $1 off of 1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet that it'll apply it to both of them, so that's $2 taken off. So you guys will get these for $1 a piece. Might not be the greatest deal, but hey, for $1 a piece, I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, go ahead and do that. What's up? Here, you want to touch the little guy?
It's for Charlotte.
It's for Charlotte. Yeah, I just love this. It's so soft. It's so warm. Yes. Okay. So my total, and a lot of you guys like want to know if I use register rewards. I did pay with register rewards on this transaction, but I'm giving you guys my total of what it was before the register rewards were factored in. So I added those to my total. So my total came to $31.92. You guys know I only paid like not hardly anything, but my total came to $31.92. I ended up receiving beauty, so I got 5,000 points for beauty. I submitted $6 to Ibotta. That's two different rebates for Ibotta for the Soap and Glory. I ended up getting $2 back from Saving Star, and then I also received $11 back from, I also received $11 of registry rewards. So my grand total came to $7.92 for 15 items. That comes out to be just 53 cents a piece. Now, if I didn't get that Squishmallows guy, it would have been a money maker, but I could not pass this thing up. Like, I just love it. Just love it. So, had to share with you guys on that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Benjamin's sitting right next to me. He's like, hey, Mom. Yeah. So,
Halloween.
So please give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys.
And get this.
Okay. And we will see you guys on Tuesday if I feel like leaving my house. Last week I just was not feeling it.
Look at some other videos, Jennifer's videos. Bye-bye.
But yeah, definitely I will try to do a second haul for you guys in case I find any more good deals, because I do have some register rewards expiring, so I got to use those up. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.
Bye.